Okay, so we have our pastry cream here. So now to cool it off, of course, for sanitation purposes, we make sure that we put it in a sheet pan. It's lined with plastic wrap. Okay, make sure we get all of our product out. That's money right there. Make sure you clean your pan very well. So there's no scorching anywhere in the pan, which is great. Okay. So now we're going to spread this out thinly. The thinner the product, the faster it cools off. So we're going to set another piece of saran wrap on the top. Put it directly on top. We do not want it to get a skin. So once it starts to dry, it'll actually get a thin skin on top, and it's very difficult to mix that into the pastry cream. The other thing you want to make sure is, if you would use this tomorrow, you could actually put a little bit of sugar on the top, and it'll turn into a nice little thin layer to keep it moist. So I put name on it, and we put today's date. And we're going to set it on the granite over here. So our granite pulls the heat from the pastry cream, so in about 5 minutes this will already be cool. So it'll be good.